Good evening, everyone. It is March 17th, 2017. We are doing a two-box break, 2015-16 Upper Deck Contours Hockey, number 53. 3 random teams each per spot. This will be out of a fresh inner case right here. So we'll have to choose 2 boxes out of this inner case. But before that, let's go to random.org to see how many times we randomize the names and teams right here with the dice roller. Here's the list of names. Right here, I want to thank every single one of you guys. We got 3 spots each if you bought 1 spot. Actually, Nick K. Totally forgot. Last spot mojo. There you go. And that was the teams. Now, well, this is the teams now. Sorry. That was the names. That was the teams. So let's roll the dice. A 6 and a 2. That's 8 times. 8 times on the names first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th and final time. After 8 times, and it wasn't 8, I want to make sure. 6, 7, 8, yep. Trev, you're right at the top, and Trev, you're at the bottom. Let's open up a new Google Sheet. There it is. 8 times now on the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th and final time. After 8 times, Nashville, you're at the top. Pittsburgh, you're at the bottom. So Trev, you have the Nashville Predators. Sabrina with the Blackhawks. Nice team, Sabrina. Mark with the Sabres. Sabrina with the Flyers. Trev with the Capitals. Sabrina with the Panthers. Trev with the Devils. Nick K's last spot mojo gets the Avalanche. Carlos with the Arizona Coyotes. Nice. Bobby with my Los Angeles Kings. Sabrina with the Blues. Trev with the Blue Jackets. Michael Van Wy. Look at that with the Oilers. That's a 1-spot mojo for Michael. As well as the Boston Bruins. Trev with the Ottawa Senators. Mark C with the Detroit Red Wings, Bobby with the Winnipeg Jets, Michael with the Hurricanes, Nick K, Vancouver Canucks, last spot mojo, Andrew with the Flames, Carlos with the Ducks, Sabrina with the Rangers, Bobby with the Canadians, Mark C with the Leafs, Andrew with the Stars and Tampa Bay Lightning, Nick K with the Wild, Carlos with the Islanders, Sabrina with the Sharks, and Trev with the Pittsburgh Penguins. So I'm going to pause the video really quick, guys, see if there's any trades. If not, we'll come back and open up this 2-box break of Contours Hockey, so stick around. Welcome back, everyone. There were no trades, so here's the list. Nick K, last spot mojo gets Colorado Avalanche and the Vancouver Canucks. So let's see what pops out of here. So here it is, guys. The fresh 8-box case. So I'm going to open up the 8 boxes. Stuck boxes. Alright, guys, here's the 8 boxes. Gotta number them really quick. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That 3 was ugly. Alright, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's go to random.org really quick. Generate 2 numbers here with the true random number generator right above me. Let's go generate 2 numbers. Whoa, sorry about that. I left that at 100. That has to be at 8. What am I doing, man? What am I doing? Alright, sorry about that. I didn't realize it was at 100. First box generated out of 8 is box 3. I was like 91. First box is box 3. So there's 1. Now let's generate 1 more. There isn't a 9 though. That's the thing. And box 5 is generated. So box 3 and 5 is what was generated. So these breaks would be for future 2-box breaks. Alright guys, Contours 2 boxes coming up. Watch there have been somebody that been like, oh no, you know what? You should be doing 9 and 1, you know. I'll be like, dude, there's no 9. How am I supposed to do that? Not yet. Maybe if it was like 10 o'clock already, maybe I could have been slipping. So guys, I know our website is a little bit little short right now with some breaks, but we're gonna get a new inventory in next week on Monday, including 2015-16 Cup Hockey. We're getting Cup Hockey back into the store, so stay tuned for that till next week. Alright guys, Rick Nash, Yari Hoodler, Glenn Hall, and for the Anaheim Ducks, Stefan Noason. Anaheim Ducks hit. That goes to Carlos and the Anaheim Ducks. Chris Kreider, red die cut for the Rangers, 56 of 99. Rangers hit. Sabrina with the Rangers. Get yourself a die cut. Nick, I would do it, but there was no 9. There's no box 9. How am I supposed to do that? Patrick Kane, Anders Lee, Henrik Zetterberg, Jordan Eberle, and Jumbo Fabrics. Hey, I broke with this guy. Ryan Kessler for the Anaheim Ducks. I'm not liking this. That's another hit for Carlos, though. I like that. Just don't like these Ducks. There you go. Nice. Connor Hollaback, proof for the Winnipeg Jets. That goes to Bobby, which means it is number 31 of 50 in the back. That's a proof. And that goes to Bobby and the Jets. Connor Hollaback. Next pack. Rookie Jumbo Fabrics, Nikolai Ehlers for the Winnipeg Jets. Another hit for Bobby. Yeah, Connor Hollaback is playing extremely well. So is this guy, Ehlers, for the Winnipeg Jets. Garrett Sparks, Toronto Maple Leafs, 246 of 399. Maple Leafs, that goes to Mark C. Last pack, which should be the auto. Good luck. For the St. Louis Blues, Sabrina, rookie resume autograph. Colton Parayko for the St. Louis Blues. Sabrina with the St. Louis Blues. Kyle Posel for the Islanders. 489 of 499. Islanders, that goes to Carlos. Alright guys, that was one box. Let's go with the next box. Shane Prince, rookie jumbo fabrics for the Ottawa Senators. Ottawa, that goes to Trev. Hey, there you go, Trev. There's a relic for you. Montreal Canadiens, Max Pacioretty, blue die cut, 95 of 499. Bobby with the Montreal Canadiens. Next pack. Van Riemsdyk, Lucic. Wow, what a break for the Anaheim Ducks. Contours rookies, Shea Theodore. 8 of 499. Anaheim Ducks, another autograph for Carlos. Marian Hossa for the Blackhawks, 183 of 499. Blackhawks, that goes to Sabrina. All right, next 2 packs, guys. Shea Weber, Mark Messier, Lundqvist, Huberdeau. Man, Anaheim Ducks, Club Crest, Shea Theodore for the... What a break for the Ducks. Jeez. That's 2 relics and 2 autographs for the Anaheim Ducks in these 2 box breaks. Another hit for Carlos. Ellis Lindholm for the Carolina Hurricanes, 210 of 499. Carolina, Michael Van Wy. Last pack, guys. Good luck. Ooh, we got ourselves a redemption here, guys. Redemption time. Patrice Bergeron, Mark Scheifele, Louis Eriksson, Joe Pavelski, and then the redemption. Let's go with this one first. Sergei Plotnikov, 272 of 399. Pittsburgh, that goes to Trev. Here's the redemption. Let's cover it up. I know, right? Redemption is like all Ducks. 2015-16 NHL Contours Rookie Auto Patch. Card number 158, number to 35. Woo! Artemi Panarin. That's just like that Connor McDavid to 35 I just pulled for Bobby last week. Artemi Panarin to 35. That goes to the Chicago Blackhawks. That is pretty good right there. That is huge. Blackhawks hit. Sabrina. There you go. That is the patch autograph to 35. Artemi Panarin for the Blackhawks. There you go, Sabrina. And that was the 2-box break of Contours Hockey. We have other breaks in our store. JaspysHockeyLand.com are really close to filling. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.